Hi there, I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool so that you can take information from your VC Learn or from any other application and drop it into your assignment Word document. So here I've just been working in VC Learn and I've done a little test. I want to see what my mark is. I've done it online. I click on OK. And there's my results. I'd like these results to be transferred now onto my Word document to show that I've done it, and this is where I need my snipping tool. I go down to the bottom here to my search option and I'm going to just type snip and snipping tool comes up. I click on snipping tool, I click on new, the background goes all grey, I select what I want and I click on copy. I'm then going to go and open up my assignment document. And wherever I want this screenshot to be dropped, I'll just click on paste. There it is. It's a little bit large. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and a bit friendlier. And there you have it. Okay, hope this helps. Let me know if you've got any more problems.